We are going to start the meditation for today. So take a comfortable position, sitting position on the chair or on the mat, in the floor. The important thing is that you keep your back straight. You can rotate your shoulders to keep your chest open. And slowly start to close your eyes. We are going to start taking 3 deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Now try to breathe during all the meditation through your nose to relax, to calm down your nervous system, to keep your attention. And you are going to start focusing in your breath. When you inhale, you feel the air going inside your body, going down through your body, to your lungs, filling your belly with air, observing the expansion of your belly. And as you exhale, you relax your belly, empty your belly, and you observe how the air is going out your body. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. With every breathing, with every exhalation, you relax your body more, relax your shoulders down, relax your eyes, your mouth, your jaw, relax your ears, your head. You can make a scan of your body from the top of your head to your toes, relaxing all the part of your body, starting with your head, your forehead, relaxing your eyes, your nose, your mouth, relaxing your neck. Keep breathing and relax your shoulders, relax your arms, your hands. Relax your chest, your lungs, your stomach. Relax your hips. Feel the heaviness of your body in the mat. Feel the gravity over your body. Relax your legs. Relax your feet. Now start to focus in again in your breathing. So the breathing is your anchor today, is your object of concentration. You observe the air going inside your body and the air going outside. You observe the air going inside your body, going inside your nose is colder, more clear, more light, and the air leaving your body is more warm, more heavy, more dirty. Just pay attention to this difference. And as you inhale, observe when the inhalation starts and when the inhalation finishes. when the exhalation starts and when the exhalation finishes. Don't force your breath, just natural breath, observing like a witness of your breath, observing the length of the inhalation and the length of the exhalation. Observing if your inhalation is longer or if your exhalation is longer. Staying totally present, releasing the beliefs of the past and releasing any worried for the future. Bringing your mind to your breath every time you get distracted. Keep observing your breathing, the air touching your nose, going inside your body to your lungs, and the air leaving your body, feeling the air in the tip of your nose. If you have some thoughts, some distractions, just imagine them like clouds coming and leaving. All the thoughts are just clouds coming and leaving. And you can bring your attention back to your breathing every time you get distracted, without any judgment, without any opinion. Continue with your breathing. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Now with the next inhalation, you are going to count 1 and exhale. You inhale, count 2, exhale. Inhale, count 3, exhale. You count up to 21 with every inhalation. You don't have to control your breath, just a natural breath. Focus your attention in the tip of your nose, observing the air touching your nose and counting up to 21. If you have any thoughts, it's fine, just as long as you realize you got distracted, you come back to the counting, you come back to your breathing. You count up to 21. When you finish, you can take 2 normal breaths, relaxing your mind. 2 normal breaths without counting. And then you count again up to 21 with every inhalation. Being aware of the air going inside your nostril the temperature of the air, and bringing your attention, your focus to the tip of your nose, just in the entrance of your nose. Keeping this focus, this awareness, attention to your breathing. When you finish counting, you take again 2 normal breaths and count one more time, last time up to 21. With every inhalation you keep counting, and with every exhalation you relax your body. Any thought, any distraction are just clouds coming and leaving, and your breath is your anchor. When you finish counting, just breathe normally, without counting, calming your mind, just staying with your breath, the natural breath. Focus attention in the tip of your nose, feeling the touch of the air in your skin, very light sensation in the space between your nose and your upper lip. Feeling the air touching this area when you inhale and when you exhale. We stay here for a few minutes just with our breath. Bringing back your attention to your breath. This natural breath, doing your exhalation every time longer. And slowly you can start to listen the sounds within you, the sounds of your heart, the sound in your stomach, the sound of your blood, of your breath, any sounds within you. And slowly you start to listen the sounds around you without any judgment, just listening the sounds around you. We are gonna finish the meditation taking 3 deep breaths. Stay here with the eyes closed. Just taking a moment to reflect how important it is to train your mind to have this inner balance, the inner peace. Because if I don't have inner peace, even I have a lot of things outside, I cannot move forward. However, if I find the inner balance, the inner peace, even when the situation outside is not the best, I will manage to move forward. I will have more clarity and I will take better decisions. Take a moment to reflect on the importance of keeping this practice, this meditation, to bring more clarity, more peace to your daily life. To have this motivation, develop this motivation to develop this inner peace, to bring peace to yourself, and the motivation to bring peace to the people around you. And slowly, when you feel with this reflection and motivation for your day, you can slowly open your eyes, observing, being aware the place where you are, feeling grateful for being alive, for being here today. Thank you for sharing this moment of stillness with me today. If this meditation helped you find some peace, I'd love to hear how it felt. Share your experience in the comments below. And if you'd like to continue this journey together, make sure you subscribe and join our mindful community. Namaste.